Hey, Jason Buckner here from Automation Made Easy. Just want to ask you, are your emails now going into the spam? Or are your emails having a much lower response rate than they did once? See, the number of emails in your inbox has doubled every 12 months over the last 3 to 4 years, and they look set to more than double on average in your inbox and, more importantly, in your customer's inbox. So Google and Yahoo, in order to stay relevant in their little email world, have decided that there are some rules and some hoops we have to jump through. As a result of that, you can't keep emailing like you used to do. Say you're getting, high side of average 30% open rates. There's 70% of people that aren't engaging with your emails. Google and Yahoo say, no, that's not how we work anymore. That balance has to be in our favor of people opening your emails. And so there's this whole fight. You can only email the people that have engaged in the last 4 months. Otherwise, all of those other people are going to get caught up in the algorithms, and then you're going to have a problem with your domain if you keep emailing them. So there's a simple solution. Stop using email, or use email and jump through those hoops. You have to do it, but then we can utilize SMS. 98% open rate, 90% of those are open in the first 30 seconds, and there's a 45% engagement rate on SMS on average. Whereas with email, we've only got an 8 to 10% engagement rate of the people that are actually opening them. So get in there, start using SMS. Super important, much higher engagement. One simple rule though, please make sure it's conversational. We don't take our language all the way up here. Most of us do it when we start SMSing people in our business. We've got to take our language all the way down here and be conversational. Think about having a conversation with your best friend who's also a customer. Good one. Thanks. See you.